Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey as we explore the revolutionary world of GoHighLevel. I'm Ali, and within a short amount of time I was able to leave my 9 to 5 and find both fulfillment and financial success in this dynamic field. The purpose of this YouTube channel is simple: to empower you to use GoHighLevel both effectively and profitably. I'm here to share my experiences, insights and strategies that I've used firsthand to help agencies and business owners from all around the world, including the UK, America, Canada and Australia. Now, don't get me wrong, mastering this platform is no walk in the park. However, for those who do decide to stick around, I'll make sure that your journey to online success is as smooth as possible. In this first video, I'll give you a brief understanding of the platform so you can understand how powerful it is. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is GoHighLevel? In its most simplest of forms, it is a CRM, a customer relationship management system. It's a technology used to manage interactions with customers and potential customers. It helps businesses build customer relationships and streamline processes so they can increase sales, improve customer service, and ultimately increase profitability. One amazing feature of GoHighLevel is that it does have this SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, which means you can white label it and also resell the software. I will be explaining this in much more detail in a future video. However, for now, I've created a demo account which we'll be going through to show you all the features that GoHighLevel has. The first thing that we will see is this Launchpad. As soon as you log in, what you can do is download the app, connect your Google My Business, connect your Facebook account, add a website widget to your account, connect your Stripe account, and also quickly add team members. You can have an unlimited amount of team members within your sub account. The next thing that we would see is our dashboard. This has all of the analytics within our business. So as we can see, we have 200 different leads. 122 are open, we've lost about 40 of them, and we've won about 30 of them. As you can see from this opportunity value, these 200 leads equate to about 138,000 in potential revenue, and we have a conversion rate of about 19%. So from those 200 leads, we've secured 38 of those, and this has given us an increased revenue of 57,000. This will obviously vary from business to business, and as you can see, we can see at what stage they are within the funnel. So we have leads, those who are interested, those who become booked appointments, those who are not interested, those who are sold, and those who have been won. And this gives us a visual of the stage distribution. If we have any tasks, we can add them here. If we have any manual actions, they'll show up here. We also have lead source reporting, so where the leads have come from. And if we do connect our Google account, we can see analytics from that. And also if we are running a Facebook and or Google ads, we'll see the analytics inside of this. So this dashboard tab will give us an overview of what our business is doing. The next thing that we want to look at is conversations. GoHighLevel does have a all-in-one conversation manager. So what that basically means is that whatever communication channel we have, whether that's email, SMS, Facebook DMs, Instagram DMs, and a few others, they will all show up in this one tab. So you wouldn't need to have 5 or 6 different tabs open. You will be able to see them all in this tab. The next thing that we can do is attach calendars. So we can book meetings straight from this. So the benefit of this is we wouldn't need to have any third-party calendar systems. You will also be able to integrate your Google Calendar and also your Outlook calendar inside of this. Once you do have appointments booked, you'll be able to go to appointments and you'll see any booked appointment inside of this and also the status, whether it is open or closed. The next thing that GoHighLevel has is contacts. Every single contact that we have will be inside of this. So if we click onto a potential customer, as you can see, we have information about them. We have their first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, contact source, and you can add a variety of more depending on what your business requires. The next thing that we can see are opportunities. These are the different pipeline stages a potential lead or customer will go through. We have a lead, interested, booked appointment, not interested, sold. You can obviously edit these depending on the different pipeline stages your business has. So as you can see, we have this lead. If they become into a booked appointment, all you will need to do is move them from one stage to the other. Likewise, for those who have become sold, you can obviously just move them accordingly. And then this would change how many leads have been sold. And then this would reflect back on the dashboard. Another thing that we can do inside of GoHighLevel is collect payments. So you can create invoices and also send invoices, and we have a variety of different payment links that we can use. We have Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and NMI. The next thing that we want to look at is marketing. So what we can do is we can connect Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, X, and also TikTok. And then what we can do is we can publish across these multiple social media networks at once. So instead of paying a third-party social media planner, we can do this inside of GoHighLevel. The next thing that we want to look at is automation. One thing successful businesses have is that they try to streamline their processes as best as possible. We can create as many as we want. So for example, if we go into this appointment workflow, what you have inside of this is we have triggers. So this will make this workflow begin, and we have the actions that we want thereafter. So for example, if we have an appointment, the appointment type is normal and the appointment status is confirmed. So basically what this is indicating to is that we have a new appointment in our calendar and it has been confirmed. So this trigger is going to start this workflow. The next thing that would happen is we'll create an opportunity. This is going to go into our lead pipeline and it's going to go into the booked appointment stage. So this will happen automatically. So you can give the opportunity a name, an opportunity source, how much the value of that specific lead is, and also the status of this. As you can see, there's a variety of different triggers that we have, and also a variety of different actions that will occur thereafter. I will be going through this in much more detail in a future video. However, for now, I believe this should suffice. If we go back to our workflows, the next thing we want to look at is sites. So if you click on the sites tab, as you can see, we can create funnels and websites from this. So if you click on websites, if you click on new website, GoHighLevel has thousands of templates already created for you. So if you click on from templates, click on continue, as you can see, there are thousands of websites you can choose from. If we click on, for example, website designer, and you click on this arrow to expand it, as you can see, we already have a very professional looking website built for you. All you need to do is change the logo, a bit of information about yourself, and this website is ready to go for your own business. We can also create funnels, and both of these you can then resell to different clients. We also have a memberships section where you can create courses. So if you have some sort of course, you can upload it inside of GoHighLevel, and then you can create a membership area where people can log on and view the videos accordingly. The next thing that we want to look at is reputation. If you do connect your Google My Business and or Facebook, you can see an overview of how many reviews you are getting, and also the average rating, whether it's 5 stars, 4 stars, so on and so forth. From this tab, you can also send out review requests, which will increase how many reviews you are getting for your business. The final thing that we want to look at is reporting. If you are running Google or Facebook ads, you will see all of the metrics inside of this. By clicking on Facebook ads at the top, you would then be able to see all the metrics for your Facebook ad campaigns. Hopefully this video would have given you a better understanding of GoHighLevel and some of the features it has. Hopefully in the next few videos, I'll be going into much more detail for each of those specific tabs. For those who want to learn at a much quicker rate, I have created a free course where I go into much more detail. You can sign up using the link below. Hopefully I will see everyone safe and sound for the next one. Take care.